Welcome to this lesson, champ. In a previous lesson, we learned about proofreading, which is the process of carefully cross-checking your work to identify and correct errors. We also mentioned that proofreading gives us an opportunity to fix all errors before submission. As mentioned previously, things to look out for whilst proofreading include misspellings, subject-verb agreement, capitalization errors, punctuation errors, homophone errors, and logical sequence. In this lesson, we will test our proofreading skills by reading and making necessary corrections to texts. Now, let's practice with this. Your school is publishing its first magazine, and you have been appointed to check for errors in one of the articles to be published in the magazine. Find and fix the errors. Before you answer, read the entire text carefully. You may read aloud if possible, but be careful enough to spot every error. You could pause the lesson to allow you ample time to read, identify, and correct the errors. Now let's fix the errors together. The use of technology in the classroom has a lot of benefits, but it also has some drawbacks. Some of the benefits include students' engagement and learning, which can be facilitated by technology. Technology can be used to develop interactive, motivating lessons that help maintain the learner's interest. Additionally, students can get quick access to information and immediate feedback, which aids in their comprehension of challenging ideas. They can also collaborate on research for specific tasks and assignments. Despite these benefits, technology can be distracting for students in the classroom, as they could easily deviate from class tasks and slide into social media platforms or downloaded games on their devices. Technology can also be expensive to maintain and use, which can disrupt the learning process. In the end, it is essential to weigh the pros and cons of using technology in the classroom before making a decision. Full stop. From the text, we identified capitalization errors. Always begin a sentence with a capital letter. A few misspellings. Be sure that every word is correctly spelled when proofreading. Missing punctuation marks. For coherence and easy understanding, punctuate correctly. Excessive spaces between words. Avoid anything more than a single space that a letter takes between words. The wrong usage of words in context. The use of uppercase instead of lowercase. Common nouns should not be capitalized except at the beginning of a sentence or in a title. Change of word order. It is important to know which word comes first when writing. Well done, friend. You could pause this lesson to see where there were errors in the text and the changes made. Let's practice again. You are among the organizers for the just concluded fun fair at your school. A compilation of expenses on each sale has been made, but there seems to be a higher amount recovered than the amount on record. Locate and correct the error to make the numbers tally. To fix the number-based errors, first, check the price for each expense, then carefully add or multiply them. The error lies somewhere along the line. Well done, friend. There are other ways you could be asked to identify errors in a text or in an exam. All you need to do is follow the laid down rules of proofreading and then fix the errors. Go on to practice some more.